the monetization problem. Trust, I think, is one of the big variables you actually need to have a very high value on if you maybe want to publish things on the internet for the long term. Because if you, in the short term, so monetization is a spectrum. You can make an ad for something and maybe people click on the ad. That's the one side. You also can try to produce content without any ads whatsoever. Maybe not even using affiliate links and things like these. Just as credible as possible, basically almost a scientific approach to producing content. Take Andrew Huberman, for example. He takes this approach, apart from the fact that he also monetizes a little bit. So there's something else that is very interesting. If you remove the monetization, so basically when it comes to Huberman, the ads out of the content increases in value for the audience.